So, mind wagging wickedness. But I was finalizing the other video I wanted to go today. And then, I got the news that Don Wehby died. And I'm like, oh shit. That is just crazy. And we all knew he was sick. They all knew that the time was coming. But still to hear that, okay, he has really died, it just got me thinking. While I've never met Don personally, I have heard of him as a leader, right? And as a part of the group, you get to experience bits and pieces of the work he has done and the type of person that he was and the type of leader that Don was. And I'm just thinking, Don is the type of person where I've heard, like, if he's in a meeting and somehow one of his children calls or something and they need him, the meeting ends right there. He's leaving and he's going to attend to his children or his family or whatever. Like, his family come first. And I've been in meetings with him, and him always say, family come first. Family come first. Like, I don't remember the last big meeting we had, and he was talking. And he's like, family come first. Your family comes first. Whatever it is, your family comes first. The work don't come first and I come first. And I'm just here thinking, even though I'm on maternity leave, I'm still so consumed with work and work this and work that when my family needs me, And because I think about how much times I've been at work and I needed to leave to pick up my kid from school, and because of work and last minute things or whatever and meetings that go over when they're supposed to go over, I don't leave and pick up my child and my child goes to school until later. I have to run up and down a big people to go pick him up or go pick up this. And I'm like, rubbish. Like, I'm like, you need to stop all of that shit. Your children come first, your family come first. So if a meeting is supposed to end at 2 o'clock and I know 3 o'clock and you you have to be like, respectfully, I need to leave now because this needs to happen and that needs to happen. And then it just also goes to see, you have to enjoy your life. You're working, and you're not enjoying your life. You're not doing anything. You're not going anywhere. You're not enjoying the money that you're working. Like, yes, I work for work's sake. When last have you been on a vacation? When last have you even done anything that you enjoyed personally? When last did you read a book? When last did you pause to just appreciate the things in life, to appreciate the people around you, like stuff like that? So I'm just like, reflecting and learning, I don't think Don even reached like retirement age personally. And he's gone. He's gone, and things you expect supposed to happen, like work family. I'm not even going to get into it, but from a company perspective, and based on the type of leader that he was and how exceptional people say that Don was, there's certain expectation. Okay, this exceptional leader has died. And you do see that transferred from the companies that he was leading. I was thinking about me to me. if Don could die and whatever, imagine me, some years if I kill myself and go, oh my god, I'm a superstar and I'm this and I'm such a good employee. My job done and dead. My job done and dead, guys. Anyways, so I'm just, this video is just to say you come first, then your family. You can't put work wherever down after that. But you, your family are priority. Do not put work above those two. And it's something that I'm guilty of. But apparently that's even more. Like, there has to be a point when you come to the realization and the maturity that your job is not who you are. It doesn't define you, and it shouldn't consume everything that you do. Yeah? So that's it. That's what I was going to say. To me, it's a message to me and the other mothers and parents out there to take care of yourself, take care of your family, prioritize yourself, prioritize your family, because your job will not prioritize you. And when you die, when you die, it's going to be like nothing. And even if they do a big shebang, still nothing. So take care of you and your family. Alright, so next week I'm gonna get back to a video.